Good afternoon and welcome to Hillcrest Farm, a fantastic 3-bedroom detached home deep in the heart of the North Cornish countryside. This property has 3 bedrooms, a large garden and the benefit of an indoor swimming pool, which I'm going to show you more in a moment. So welcome inside this 3-bedroom property. As you'll see, there are 2 very comfortable reception rooms comprising of the lounge, which is dual aspect, along with the dining room, which is perfect for formal dining. Moving through, we have a kitchen and a ground floor WC, as well as a side utility space. On the first floor, the 3 bedrooms are all large enough to accommodate a double bed. There are lovely views across the garden and countryside beyond. There are PV solar panels and external windows and doors are UPVC double glazed. So without doubt, the main feature of this home is this wonderful building and this lovely indoor swimming pool. It's a substantial space, perfect for families and those that wish to come and enjoy the facility. I do also think this room has great wealth of potential for other uses potentially. It could be a large work from home office, gymnasium, or just generally a hobbies room with all its wonderful natural light that really floods the space. The pool itself is heated, it's a consistent depth throughout, and there's also a solar cover as well to keep it warm when needed. There is a tandem double garage adjacent to the property and a large wooden workshop which will accommodate a number of vehicles and general storage. Furthermore, there is a garden shed and a block-built outside store. For more information on this delightful home, contact Fine & Country now on 01566 77 1919. Thank you.